Hi, I'm Steve Houseworth, the inventor of the Houseworth Modular Electrical System. The system consists of two parts. One is the wiring module, in which electrical wires attach to the back side, and the front side where electrical outlets and switches insert. In comparison to existing outlets and switches that rely on wires being attached to terminal screws permanently until the outlet or the switch degrades so that it has to be replaced, the Houseworth system attaches wires to the wiring module, and once they're attached, those wires never need to be touched again. With the current system, once wires need to be removed, someone skilled in doing that is needed, a handyman or an electrician, usually charging a high hourly rate to replace a device that costs just a couple of dollars. With the Houseworth system, that is removed, so any individual who can operate a screwdriver, and I'll show you that in just a moment, can replace the outlets and switches all by themselves. So now to show you, I unscrewed the faceplate screws earlier and loosened the screws holding the device in place as well. And so this is how the system fits. This is the second part of the system, and you can see that this electrical module has blades on the back side that then push into the back of the wiring module. To replace it, all we need to do is push it on and then push it back into the receptacle box, tighten the screws, return the faceplate, and you're done. To show you that this actually transmits electricity, I have a light, and you can see that the light is on. Additionally, to show you that the electrical switch works, turn that on and the built-in light, you can see, works. There are several advantages to the Houseworth modular electrical system in addition to the ease of pushing the wires on and having them in place permanently. And that is, we virtually eliminate wire nuts needed to attach additional wires. The metal buses that are inside of the wiring module and transmit electricity, there are several of them. There's at least 2 extra. And those can accommodate additional electrical wires that would then push on. And they're held in place, and then if an additional fan, light switch, or anything else is being added, power comes from the module instead of from wire nuts that then have to twist these wires over these wires and hold them in place. Additionally, the advantages are that these devices can be replaced in a matter of seconds rather than minutes, and for people who need to replace multiple outlets and switches every year, maybe even monthly, don't need to pay a high hourly rate for a handyman or electrician, and they can save money either by doing it themselves, or if they hire an electrician or a handyman, the job becomes super easy because all they need is a screwdriver, pull the degraded device off, push a new device on, tighten the screws to the faceplate, and they're done.